Hi, this is Matt from Crooks Cabinet Makers. I'd like to introduce my Makita chop saw, small version, and this is the LS1040 model. Okay, so what's good about this? Well, the first thing that's good about this is it's actually a really basic piece of kit, and all it does is cut up to 5 inches wide and 3 inches deep. You can cut compound angles on this, and I'll just demonstrate that now. Okay, there's a 90-degree position. Remove the clamp, open the fence, and just at the back, slide over to up to 45 degrees on this side, and then from there you can adjust any angle you want to do your compound angle. This side will turn to 45 degrees, and this side will turn to around about 50, 53, but not on the angle. It'll go 45 on that, but it will go 50, 53 in the upright position at 90 degrees rather. Okay, so the scale on the front here is really easy to read. The positioning is at 15 degrees, 22 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees. You can lock this in position in other places using this piece at the front. So if I want to put that just to cut at even 1 or 2 degree angle, that's there, that's locked, that's in position, and it's really secure. Actually, this being as straightforward and simple as it is, there's nothing to break. So actually it works a treat. I'm sure there are people out there who can break it, and I'm probably one of them actually, but it's done me proud so far. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is turn the machine round and show you around the back of it. At the back of the machine we can see the scale on the side here for the angle settings. Well, there's no preset position, but it's very easy to read. It's also a very secure setting. We can also see here the extraction point. So this extraction point is suitable for what in the UK was the Henry. I'm sure they never designed it for that, but it actually does such a great job. The saw blade itself is very easy to change. I'll just demonstrate now that this is actually unplugged. Safety first always. So it's very easy to take the saw blade out, and you see, take this off, drop it down, unscrew, replace the saw blade, screw it back up, put that on, quick and easy. What's really great about the Makita handle is how ergonomic and functional it is. Works as with 3 fingers really. That one lifts it up, brings it down to the wood, press the button in, cut. It's very comfortable to use, which is important. I've used this on the site. When I need to put it in the van, I just lift that handle up, bring the saw down, press the little button in at the back, and that locks the saw in position. Take the saw, turn it 45 degrees, and that's a very easy to handle piece of kit. I've had this saw since 2006. It's now 2019. I think it's a really great piece of kit. Anyway, finally to say, I think this machine cost me £140 around about 12 years ago. Do I think it was worth the money? Yeah, it's still up and running. Is there any limitations to it? Not really, no. It will cut up to 5 inches wide by 3 inches deep. It's a little beauty. It's absolutely accurate. It's a really sweet piece of kit. Okay, do I like this bit of kit? Yes. Would I recommend this bit of kit to someone? Yes. If you were just starting out in woodwork, would it be a good bit of kit? Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.